Hi Daniel, this is Sarah reaching out to you from Top Marketing Co. I want to reach out and send you these 3 quick tips you can start using today to outrank your competition in the area. I don't like to waste time, so if by the end of this short video you feel like the information I shared can help increase traffic to your website and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to use this information as you see fit. All I ask is you give me a little bit of feedback at the end of the video if you don't mind. Alright, so I'm going to be talking about 3 quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. Alright, so content is any words on the first page, any pictures, what's behind your pictures, and even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. We want to make sure that we are saving our pictures under keywords our customers are searching for on Google. This is very important. We also want to make sure that we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is actually going to allow us to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases we need in order to start ranking on those top pages of Google. Now that's content. Next, we have citations. And a citation is any online business directory where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. So for example, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. Now, citations help us by being able to rank for what is called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords our consumers are searching for. Now, obviously, the businesses in these top 3 positions are going to have increased traffic to their website. Now, how do we get here? We actually have a tool to see how many citations we have versus our competition. So the name of the game here is not just coming in and matching what our competition is doing in regards to citations, but we actually want to go and get more citations than our competition, and we want to make sure that our Google My Business listing is optimized correctly so we can start outranking them and taking their traffic. Now that is citations, and lastly we have backlinks. And backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our website. A backlink is essentially one website is linking back to our website, and what that does is it gives us relevance, power, and authority in Google's eyes so we can begin ranking organically for those pages. Now, we have a tool to see how we are matched up against our competition. All we do is plug in our information here, and we can see we have 12 referring domains, 84 backlinks, we're being found for 53 keywords, bringing us roughly 12 organic visitors a month. Now, if we look at one of our top competitors in the area, we can see that they have 152 referring domains, 626 backlinks. They're being found for 669 keywords, bringing them roughly 814 organic visitors a month. Now, this is where we eventually want to be, have the bulk of our traffic coming in organically and ads as supplement to whatever we are doing. And we can accomplish this with this tool exactly like the citations. Come in here and not only match what our competition is doing in regards to their backlinks, but we can go and get more authoritative, more powerful, and more relevant backlinks and start outranking them and taking their traffic. Now, I have to ask you, if you had another 840 visitors come to your website every month, what do you think that would do to your business? Now with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up what opportunities are available to you. And if you think me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat. You can reach me directly at 312-375-1110. I'll also leave my information down below. I hope you have a great day and talk to you soon. Thank you.